Hey everybody, it's Beauty Mama, and today I am going to demonstrate on how to show you the proper procedure of cleaning and disinfecting your brushes and your beauty blenders, sponges, or however you guys want to call them. So first things first, what I do is, everybody has a different technique, but I have it all laid out. I've got a clean rag, hand towel, and a dirty hand towel, and I have one plate on my brushes, sponge, just an old bottle that I keep transferring my Dawn dish soap, but it's 99.9% disinfecting as well, so we got that. And then we have extra virgin olive oil. It doesn't matter what kind of brand, it doesn't matter what kind of olive oil, as long as it's olive oil. I just use, extra virgin olive oil for when we cook, so it don't matter for that one. And so how this all starts is we are going to do 2 parts dish soap and 1 part olive oil. And I'll explain this as I go, but most of this will be a fast video. I'm going to start with a smaller brush, don't matter what, but we're going to do it just in the middle and combine them because it disinfects and cleans them. And what the olive oil does, what I've noticed, is that it makes them really smooth and stronger in the end, and it doesn't make the bristles hard. So when it's mixed together like that, just a good amount, we're going to use our fingers and our palm to massage it all in there, to get it all out. If you guys have your own cleaning boards, go for it. I just use my hands, it seems more effective. And then we're just going to put it off to the side. We're going to continue this. So what I'm doing right now is I am getting my Beauty Blender extended wet, and then I'm just gonna run it all through here. And I'm gonna show you the proper way of rinsing it out, okay? I know it's hard to probably hear me, but now since we got all that stuff in here, see how it just comes out like that? We're just gonna keep rinsing it until it comes out clean. We're gonna keep going back and forth on the solution. And since Beauty Blenders always like soak in so much bacteria from all the chemicals in the foundation and concealers and just sitting out once it, you're done using it, and just the air getting to it, making it a little bit more contaminated. It's like a bacteria infested sponge. So I'm always constantly cleaning mine. So I figured I'd give you the proper way of cleaning your guys's. If you guys don't use Beauty Blenders, then okay, you can go with whatever brushes or fingertips that you guys do. Just make sure you guys are cleaning it correctly. Like I said, there are other things out there people do use differently. I want to know what you guys use, so tell me in the comments what you guys do to clean your brushes. I know there are wipes, I know there are homemade recipes, just other solutions. So since it's coming out clean now, when you squeeze it, you're going to squeeze it all the way, and just leave it right there. Now with the sponges, or the brushes, we're going to just smooth it out into it, and then when we wash it, we're going to keep the brushes downward, because since if you try washing it up like this and going in the water's going to start flowing into here, and it's going to loosen up the glue that's inside the stem to hold it. So we're going to rinse it upside down. And just run it through your hands like that again, so it can get in the middle. We're going to do a lukewarm. We're not going to do hot, because if the heat starts heating up the glue again, it's going to start bringing out your bristles. So we're just going to run it across your palm and your fingers like this in a circular motion, so it gets in there good. And then we're just going to squeeze out all the excess. And see how it's so foamy? That means there's still soap in here. So we're just going to keep squeezing it out. And then we're going to lay it on the towel like this. Hold on. Oh. So soapy. This is the brush I always have problems with. Trying to get it stop being soapy. There you go. Close enough. We're going to leave it like this, leaning, because I had the towel rolled. We're going to lean it against it, so when it starts drying, the water's just going to drip onto the towel. So we're going to repeat this whole process with everything. And I'll make the video fast for you guys, don't worry. that's basically all you have to do. You know, just throw your old towel or dirty towel in the wash. And once these start drying, like when it gets maybe an hour, maybe an hour and a half, when they start to dry a little bit more completely, like the brushes and everything, just start taking them through your hand and just start circling them so the bristles start evening out. And like angle brushes like this, oops, sorry, like this, just make sure you just go like this, one stroke. Same with like your contour brush, you can just dab it on your hand because they're more circular and precise. But yeah, other than that, this is basically how you clean your makeup brushes and beauty blender, and I'm happy. So I hope this helped you guys. Just remember 2 parts Dawn dish soap, 100% bacteria or 99.9% bacteria killer, and then olive oil or extra olive oil, it doesn't matter what brand. So 2 parts soap, 2 parts olive oil, and then just do the motion I showed you and you guys will be golden. Your brushes will come out clean, bacteria free, and very soft and like brand new. So I hope this helped you guys. Bye.